Hey there, tech wizards! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of tech to bring you the best tips and tricks. Today, we're stepping into advanced territory with a topic that's both powerful and delicate: Windows Registry Editing. This tutorial is for experienced users who want to unlock advanced customization and troubleshooting capabilities in Windows. So, buckle up and get ready to become a registry master. First things first, a word of caution. The Windows Registry is a critical component of your operating system. Incorrect changes can cause serious problems, so always back up your registry before making any edits. With that said, let's dive in. Step 1. Opening the Registry Editor. To open the Registry Editor, press Windows + R to bring up the Run dialog box. Type Regedit and press Enter. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to grant administrative access. Now that we're in the Registry Editor, let's start with our first task. Step 2. Backing up the registry. Before we make any changes, it's crucial to back up the current state of the registry. This will allow us to restore it if anything goes wrong. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Export. Choose a location to save the backup file and give it a name. Ensure the All option is selected under Export Range. Click Save. Now we have a safety net. If we mess up, we can simply import this file to restore our registry. Step 3. Navigating the registry. The Windows Registry is organized into a hierarchical structure, similar to the file system. It consists of 5 main root keys: hey_classes_ROOT, HKEY_current_user, HKEY_local_machine, HKEY_USERS, HKEY_current_config. Each root key contains subkeys, which can also contain further subkeys and values. To edit a specific setting, you need to navigate to its exact location. Step 4. Editing a registry key. Let's walk through editing a registry key. Suppose we want to disable the Windows 10 lock screen. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the following path. If the personalization key doesn't exist, right-click on the Windows key, select New Greater Than key, and name it Personalization. Right-click on the personalization key, select New Greater Than Word 32-bit value, and name it No Lock Screen. Double-click on No Lock Screen, set its value to 1, and click OK. Voila! We've just disabled the lock screen. Changes like these can customize your Windows experience significantly. Step 5. Creating a new registry key. Creating new registry keys can be useful for adding new functionality or settings. Let's create a new key to change the delay of startup programs. Navigate to If the serialize key doesn't exist, create it by right-clicking on Explorer, selecting New Greater Than key, and naming it Serialize. Inside the serialize key, create a new DWORD 32-bit value named Startup DelayInsic. Set its value to 0 to disable startup delay. By setting Startup DelayInsic to 0, you'll reduce the delay for programs to start when Windows boots, potentially speeding up your startup time. Step 6. Deleting a registry key. Sometimes, you may need to delete a registry key to fix an issue or remove a setting. For instance, if you want to remove a custom context menu entry, navigate to the context menu entry path. Identify the key you want to delete. Right-click on it and select Delete. Confirm the deletion, and the context menu entry will be removed. Always be sure you're deleting the correct key to avoid unintended consequences. Step 7. Restoring the registry from a backup. If you ever need to restore your registry from a backup, here's how. Click File and select Import. Browse to the location of your backup file, select it, and click Open. This will restore your registry to its previous state, undoing any changes you've made since the backup was created. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Windows Registry editing. I hope you found this tutorial informative and empowering. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always back up before you make changes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our advanced tech tutorials. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.